Hello Excel champions, it's William aka Dr. Excel. So today I'm going to show you which functions to use in Excel to multiply. So as usual, I will give you all the files. There's going to be, the file with all the formulas that we're going to see, all the examples. It's going to be right below the video. So you can download it right now and so you have all the formulas and you can follow with me. So actually there's no multiply function in Excel. There's no such function. What we use to multiply, if I want to do 3 multiplied by 4, I just use the star, the multiplication, to make a multiplication. I just use a star like this to multiply two numbers. There's also another function that we can use, which is called product. Actually, we make the product of two numbers. It's gonna be product of one number, two number, etc. It does exactly the same thing. So it kind of depends what you want to do. Most of times, a star is more explicit. Everyone understands it to write a multiplication. But in some case, for example, if you have, I don't know, you have a list of number. I'm going to put a list of random numbers here in this column. If I want to multiply them one by one, so the naive way is to take first number, second number, third number, and so on and so on. And the problem with that is that it's a bit, if you have lots of numbers, it's a bit long to do. So you can just use the function product in that case. Product, and you select product of, so here to have the same thing, I took the first one. You just have to select the range in which you have all your numbers. It's going to give you the same thing. And you can use it on a range as big as you want. It's going to be the same thing. So here I can multiply all of this column of numbers with the product function. It's going to give me, it's going to take all the numbers, multiply them all together. With the simple formulas, I don't have to put the multiplication sign each time between to multiply these numbers. Yeah, so that's it. Basically, that's the two ways you can multiply numbers. First is with multiplication star sign. Second is to use the product function. So don't forget to download the examples right below. There's going to be a link below the video so you can download it. And I will see you tomorrow for a new Excel tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. This way you'll be notified as soon as I publish. See you tomorrow, champions. Ciao.